Hi everyone, it's Cindy A. Lewis and I'm bringing you a Dollar Tree haul today. I've laid everything out on my dining table so that we could get to it really fast. And at the end, I'm going to put together some items from the Dollar Tree in a little gift basket, snack basket for my son's work for tomorrow and take that down to them so that they can have a really nice basket of goodies before the Thanksgiving holiday. Plus, I really appreciate them and how nice they are, and they are such great people at Inside Eye Care. So in case you're local and you're looking for an eye doctor, go see Dr. Kyle Tate at Inside Eye Care. They're great. Okay. So first I want to show you, I picked these up for myself. These are Werther's Original sugar-free chewy caramels. They are very, very delicious and sugar-free. So love these. Also, I picked up some Starlight Mints. These are just regular peppermints, and I'm going to be making some ornaments that I'm going to do a video with you for. I also picked up this sparkling red grape. This is starting to come out now to celebrate the holidays, and I always put one of these in my son's stocking. And yes, I still do his stocking. You know, you're never too old for a stocking. Okay, so I picked up these two absolutely beautiful, they remind me of Thomas Kincaid's paintings, gift bags. They have glitter on the front, and then the back is also the same image without the glitter. I'm going to show you how to make a 3D lit picture with these two gift bags, which you need both sides. And then the frame that I picked up is this 8x10 inside, but it's a little bit bigger, and it is almost like a shadow box because it's deep. So we're going to use those to make that, and I'm hoping to get that done tonight so that I can show you. I did pick up a set of these LED red lights, and that's not for this craft, but I did want to show you another very quick craft with these ornaments that are clear with lights. And I'm going to show you that. And Dollar Tree has these as well, like a ton of them. So just FYI. Okay, as we move on down the table, I found the cups, the little Christmas mugs with the Christmas little red truck with the trees and the presents inside. Have yourself a Merry Christmas. And so I did pick up 3 of those because you never know if you'll be able to find them or not. Additionally, they had out their stockings, and I always use these to put presents in for kids, and they are so fun, and you can fill them with all kinds of wonderful things. So this one it's the most wonderful time of the year, and I really like it. It's felt on the back. And then this one looks like a sweater, like an old time stocking. So I did pick this one up as well. It's very, very cute with felt on the back. And for $1, you can't really beat that price. The next thing that I wanted to show you are these candle holders. You put your little tea light or your votive candle in there. They had a gingerbread, and then they had this one, which is a snowflake, as you can see. And then a little Christmas tree, which is adorable. And these would be really cute in little gift baskets or things that you're going to gift to someone or even set out around your home. Also, I picked up 2 of these little jars. Now, they are not salt and pepper shakers. They look similar, though, and they're about the size of a salt and pepper shaker. Now, I'm going to use these for a craft that is so simple that you will just think, wow, why didn't I think of that? Or maybe you have thought of it. But anyway, it's going to be really cute, and we're going to do that as well. I did need some little baskets to go in my battery drawer because I want to separate my batteries so that I can make sure I can see what I have. So I'm going to put like AA, AAA, 9-volt, you know, C, D batteries. We always run low batteries at this time of year, so I wanted a way to organize those even better than I'm already doing. Next, we're going to Okay, I saw these wood numbers at the Dollar Tree, and I have not seen them before. Maybe you have. I see letters all the time, but not numbers, and so I really wanted to go ahead and get these. And you can use them for especially your Advent things that you're making, or counting down till Christmas. So anyway, I did pick those up. I got 2 of them. And honestly, it's hard to find just numbers at a good price, even at your craft store. All right, lastly, I'm going to show you what I got for the gift basket, and then I'm going to put the basket together. Okay, so mainly I just wanted it to be a snack type basket. So I got some York peppermint patties. I got some milk chocolate Dove. Got some dark chocolate Dove. Everyone has their preference. Got some 4 packages of Oreos. I've got the Danish butter cookies, which are really good. I picked up some pretzels. There are 6 mini packs in this bag for $1, mind you. That is really good. And Snyder's of Hanover is a name brand. So that's a really good price. I also picked up some Keurig style hot chocolate that I thought they might like. I picked up some peppermint tea. And I also picked up some ground coffee. This is Premier. I haven't tried this. I'm not a big coffee drinker, but this is vanilla flavored. So hopefully they will like that. I hope so. So this is the tea, and this is the hot chocolate again. Okay, lastly for drinks, I did pick up some of these Hawaiian Punch where you add it to water. I thought that might be fun for them. Plus, it's sugar-free, so you can drink it without guilt, right? Okay, then some potato sticks. Who had these growing up? I loved these growing up, and it just brought back all kinds of memories when I saw this, so I thought it would be fun to put that into their basket. And then I picked up some M&Ms, peanut M&Ms, yum, yum, 6 packages for $1. And then a 4-pack of the Fudge Stripe mini cookies. And so all of this will be going in a gift basket. I'm going to show you the basket that I have. It's already had it, and I'm going to add a few little things to it to give it a fall appeal. Okay, to create this gift basket, I'm going to use a basket that I had. It's a lined basket, but I am going to put in a little color with this tissue paper. So this is just some scrap tissue paper that I had, and I'm just going to wad it up to give some stability to everything that I'm putting in there. And you say, why is she using a maroon or burgundy color? Well, because we're going to accent with the fall colors with this these leaves that I have already. And then I do have a few little pumpkins that I'm going to put in there. Have some gold ribbon that I'm going to accent with. And then after I wrap it up and put ribbon on it, I'm going to put this thankful. If you remember those, we made those some time back. Okay, so first you want to always put your large things in the back, and I'm going to put this together for you. Okay, the last thing that you always want to do is you want to wrap your gift basket in one of these plastic bags from the Dollar Tree. You get 2 in a package, so they're not very expensive, and it gives it that finished look. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, and this is it. I just did a really simple bow, tied it around, and put the thankful over it, and it's ready to go and bless their office tomorrow right before Thanksgiving. So you can see it's really beautiful and has all the goodies in it, and I can't wait to be able to show and just express my thankfulness for this office and how good they are to my son and to all their clients and customers. So anyway, I wish you a happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you are inspired in some way and that you would comment, share, subscribe, be a part of my YouTube community. I really appreciate you. If you've made a gift basket similar to this, I'd love to know about it, and I appreciate all your comments every time. I love to read them and comment back, and so thank you for watching, and until next time.